Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install Python for your Windows 10 and 11. So let's begin with the process. First of all, open any web browser. In this case, I am going to download it using Google Chrome. And in the search bar, write python.org and click enter. Here you can see the official website of Python has been opened. Now click on the downloads and then you can see a yellow button here. Click on this button. So the Python 3.12.4 has been downloaded. You can simply see it on the top right side of your Google Chrome browser. And from here, click on the setups. Once you click on the setups, a small window for installation will be open and then you will proceed with the steps of installation. So for that, click on the install and then here you can see a small checkbox, add python.exe to path. So please check this box and then click install now. This will take a few minutes. As you can see, the installation has been completed. So just close the installer and then open the command prompt by typing cmd in the search bar and open the command prompt. Here you will find out that is the Python successfully installed or not. So simply type python space double dashes and version. Click enter. So you can see the Python 3.12.4 version has been successfully installed. Also you can check that what is the version of pip here. So you will write pip double dash version. So 24.0 version of pip has also successfully been installed on your PC. Now let's move toward the second step. As we have installed the latest version of Python, that is 3.12.4, so an idle will come with the installation of Python. And you can simply check it in your start search by typing Python. And here you can see the idle is open in front of us. This idle will help you create different projects and as well as you can learn things in this Python idle. So for example, we want to print our first program. We can simply write in this idle print. This is my first program. Click enter. So as you can see, our first program has successfully executed using Python idle. So I hope you will be done with your installation of Python, and for more such kind of informational videos and installation of other programs, keep watching our channel. In our next video, we will be going to install Anaconda, so keep watching and stay tuned.